Hi guys, I'm Anup from TwinsAI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your settings from TwinsAI. So for that, let's go to your left corner on the bottom, click on settings, and you're able to see different tabs. So let's go one by one. In account and billing, you're able to see all your subscription, how much AI minutes that you have used, and we have done it up to the seconds, which will provide in a transparency way. You're able to purchase more AI minutes or also manage the subscriptions, and you have the basic informations on your account. On the call management, you can disable inbound calls, which means if you like to have an agent which can answer your phone call 24/7, you can enable that. And then we have another parallel voicemail. So if you're using the auto dialer and if you want to just leave the voicemail and call another person, you can enable it. By default, we have disabled that. And also, if you like to book a calendar meeting, you can set up like 30 minutes or how long you want, depending on the time you like to have. And call delay timer is when you're calling one by one, how much of second of delay you would like to have. On communication, you can see your phone number. If you would like to buy new phone numbers, you can click on add phone number and purchase new phone numbers as well. Developer in advance is much more advanced in technical information. For this, I'm going to provide another video. Developer in advance is much more advanced, and it is more preferred for devs and other people who are technical. You can use for the API key management and also webhooks with our applications. And then we have integration. So if you are using any CRM, which we have provided here, any of these, you can connect with them and also get the contact informations, all informations. And once you have called through the CRM list, you can also, our applications will automatically post those informations in this CRM as well. You can only connect one CRM at a time. And if you do connect one CRM, only the Google is an exception case, as Google is much more for booking your calendars and scheduling calendar meetings with your prospects. And then lastly, we have voice, where you can hear your own conversations when you do the onboarding. And if you would like to tweak your voice, you can add a recording, which will make it sound more like you. Thank you for watching the video.